Ibiyinkonzo echukumisayo kakhulu ngethuba abo basenyongweni kumfi uJackson Mthembu bebezokukhahlela ukugqibela kule nkokheli yabantu. Ugawulegeqa wentsholongwane yecorona ume ngebhunguze emnyango uqenqa ugodo kweli yaye umfi uMthembu nobe ngusiputsu karhulumente ukugqithisa umyalezo wokuvundlisa uluntu ngalobhubhane naye ube lixhoba lawo. Izithethi zimbhutye ngobubende ngenquleqhu yakhe.
The news of Jackson's passing has struck a deep and solemn note to many of us. As for me, I have lost not just a dependable colleague and a comrade. I have lost a dear friend.
Umvelase uchazwe njengendoda ibisizisa ulonwabo kwabaninzi nebenothando olunzulu ngakusapho lwayo.
My father was a personified version of a literal breath of fresh air. He made joy and laughter his daily bread. And in this hard time, seeing that South Africa saw that too, has brought us smiles in this season of sorrow.
Abaninzi khange bakwazi ukuzibamba iinyembezi ngethuba izithethi zisondlala elubala ukulunga nokuthobeka kwakhe akubonakalise de yayimizuzu yokugqibela.
We tried, we were running in the unit because of uMthembu was not doing good at all. I said to the team, did you phone Uma? I said, no, let's phone uSisthembi nasesimbona ukuthi usetlelile. Of which isikhathi was not on our side.
Bekucaca nakuthathatha ke ukuba ngenene uwile unyana womgquba nomthomkhulu umfi uMthembu ushiya ngasemva kulomhlaba umagada ahlabayo ngameva nenkunzane unkosikazi wakhe nabantwana abahlanu. Hamba ke ndoda madoda sakudibana engqungqutheleni.
Ukanti umfi uMthembu uchazwe njengenkokheli ibithobekile nezinikezele ngokupheleleyo ukusebenzela abemibili.
uMthembu obeyishoshovu emele izisebenzi ezokusanzimbi engumholi futhi engumuntu wabantu unqotshwe ubhubhane lesifo iCovid-19. Kuthe uma iphini likamongameli wezwe uDavid Mabuza ezovalelisa uMthembu kokugcina layidliva izulu. uMthembu uchazwe njengomuntu obengazwani nenkohlakalo.
Beyond Polokwane, Jackson has demonstrated a quality which very few of us have, which is that he's one person who was forever chasing the truth, forever wanting to do the best.
Enkonzweni yomngcwabo wakhe uMvelase abantu baqhakambise ukuzehlisa kwakhe njengoba kuthi uma iningi labaholi beANC lihamba liyohlala ezindlini zikaMaqabane uMthembu wazihlalela nabantu.
He's one person that brought me from age 13. I remember some of the words that he always said is that a public servant is someone that must be like a doormat, that anyone removes all dirt from his shoes. Even dogs must actually sit and pee there. The public servants and politicians, that's what he said, must not regard themselves as clouds that give us rain, but they must always be humble. They must be where ants are. They must always be where the masses of the people are, because that is what will elevate them.
Nabasebenza naye uMvelase badlulise amazwi enduduzo.
We're going to miss him leading up front about COVID. South Africans have seen him talking about the pandemic, sanitizing, and leading the press conferences and communicating. Every time after the president called what you call a family meeting, the minister would lead a delegation of ministers to come and tell South Africans what they're going to do. I'm going to miss that. But I'm also going to miss his bubbly self. I would come to work frustrated about my own things, and then he would say to me, what is wrong? And then he'd make jokes about it.
Kuthe uma ngabe ibhokisi likaMvelase lehlela phansi emgodini kwasa ngokunye kunkosikazi wakhe obegwajwe ngumunyo njengoba ezosala abhekene nomsebenzi onzima njengoba sekumele azame ukubhekana nobuhlungu bokushiwa ngubaba wekhaya lakhe. Kuphinde futhi nesizwe sile nalelu bhubhane lweCovid-19. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba zeSABC eGoli.